What's up, family? And happy Sabbath. Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat Love. About to hook me up some more, some vegan dogs. I made up some quick little chili real quick. Had boiled me a couple vegan dogs. Man, them taste like beef damn near. So good. Them like some of the best dogs I ever had. The little field roast kind. Got me some buns, some angelic babies. Got me some real relish. Oh. Don't you dog me. That's about to have these dogs, my baby. Well, I'm here by myself. I'm gonna enjoy this on the Sabbath. Finna chill out, rest up, get ready. My body a little sore, been working out. I think I've been going too hard. But hey, I'm about to rest up today on this good Sabbath, chill out. And then tomorrow on the first day of the week, I'm back at it. I'm gonna put it together. I'm about to put one together right quick while I'm on here with y'all. Yep, my good mustard. I love Coops. This is, man, one of the best mustards I ever had. Good ketchup from Whole Foods. Y'all don't need all that hot corn fructose syrup and all that crap. You know? You can read all this. It can got clove in it. Y'all can read these ingredients. Organic, vegan, fat-free. It only costs like $2.30 or something. It don't even cost $3 for that. Good relish, clean, no chemicals, vegan. Coops, mustard, you know, this all clean. You can read the ingredients. My dog. So y'all better, hey, stop eating that dog meat like me and son say. Don't chew dog meat. Don't chew dog meat. Y'all be chewing that dog meat, eating that pork meat and all that beef meat. Fuck, hey, y'all better get clean with it. I buy these. I keep these on deck. With carts, hot dog carts. Yep. I keep them on deck. I'm about to put one together right quick. I'm about to pause it. I'm back. I'm all together. Got the cart. So y'all can make this at home. Y'all ain't gotta go to no nasty Coney Island. Get that dog meat. Don't chew dog meat. I'm about to bite this mug on here. I like to dip my ketchup on the side. But I got my relish, my purple onion, my good chili on there, vegan chili. All vegan, baby. Some of the best chili I ever tasted, too. Dip it in the ketchup. Good vegan dog. I remember. That dog damn near tastes like beef. Don't you dog meat. But I'm about to smash and enjoy the Sabbath, family. And y'all make sure y'all enjoy y'all good Sabbath. Good dog, juicy in there. One love.